So
Oh, okay. Well,
we
then
don't.
never mind. Not alive. Look, I was thinking it was really
No,
sunny.
and that's not your fault. That shouldn't have got programmed in there to go to. Yes, the sun is not up and shining, though it had been shining blue skies the last few days, from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, yesterday. Well, we're mixing in more clouds today, and rain chances are back in the forecast. All right, here we go. We are tracking those showers moving across Oklahoma, developed yesterday way out towards the west in the Texas Panhandle. That activity continues to roll east this morning all across western Oklahoma, now moving into central Oklahoma. Band of thunderstorms developing there to the northwest of Tulsa, back towards Stillwater, towards Wichita, Kansas. This shower activity is going to continue to move off towards the east and move into our area. So scattered clouds this morning will thicken up and we'll see more rain moving in. Again, we are tracking the chance for a few strong storms to mix in as we go later on in the day. Now, again, with any of the shower activity that we're expected to see this afternoon, can't quite rule out. There is some instability there. The atmosphere is certainly more unstable than it had been earlier this week. And that's why we've got the more active pattern starting up for us. Can't rule out maybe a pocket or two of some small hail, some lightning, some downpours this afternoon. But our main chance for severe storms comes later today. Severe weather is going to fire up out towards the west. We're seeing some rain this morning. They'll allow the atmosphere to kind of reset later today, become unstable once again, and they'll develop more storms out towards the west. And then that activity is going to try to roll east towards the Arkansas state line this evening into the overnight. Pockets of hail and some gusty winds will be possible. We'll be watching that for you. Future track radar trying to pick up on some of the rain just out towards the west between Tulsa, Henrietta, and Oklahoma City. That activity is going to continue to build eastward, so those rain chances will start to pick up, especially by late morning into the early afternoon hours. We'll have a better shot to see some scattered showers and downpours moving into our area. And then once we just really go from there, we're going to have a chance for scattered showers through the afternoon and into the evening hours. We'll have a chance for some of those showers and thunderstorms. You kind of noticed it there too, late afternoon, early evening. There was a few stronger storms trying to mix in further to the south, near and south of I-40. May have a chance for that. That's where we could pick up on some of those pockets of small hail. You'll also notice the rain coming in overnight, some gusty winds, few pockets of hail there too. By tomorrow morning, few lingering showers, and then we'll be drying out the rest of our Friday. Friday and Saturday look drier, but they also look very hot, much hotter and way more muggier out there than we've been any time this spring. So certainly the hottest temperatures so far this spring coming at us quickly here early in May. Temperatures today in the 70s. Again, clouds thicken up, scattered shower chances, especially by this afternoon, evening, and then those continue as we go overnight. Look at that. What a big difference there, too. Again, we went multiple mornings in a row, 30s and 40s. We're 40s and 50s this morning. We'll be 50s and 60s tomorrow morning, and from there, we'll have a stretch of overnight temperatures not getting below 60 degrees. Yeah, it's going to be warm for us. And as that moisture increases, it's going to be muggier, too. You'll notice the higher humidity tomorrow. You'll really notice the mugginess as we get into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We are in the muggy to near tropical category with the higher humidity coming in. Highs upper 80s, lower 90s are still forecast. Record high Fayetteville Saturday, 87. Got you around 90 right now. It's looking possible. And we're looking for temperatures to get close to 92 in Fort Smith. The record's 91. I think the heat index values will easily be in the lower to mid 90s across the area. Wouldn't be shocked if we had an area or two get closer to the upper 90s. Our saving grace for Saturday is it does look breezy. 10 to 20 mile per hour wind. It's a warm wind out of the southwest, but you'll take anything on those hot, humid days. You just want that air moving a little bit, so that'll help with the heat. But when you haven't had heat like this yet, it's like it hits you a little bit harder. By June, a low 90-degree day, you're like, oh, this is beautiful. But when your body hasn't got acclimated to it yet, it kind of hits you really hard there. So it's going to hit you there on Saturday. I'm just trying to tell you.
What's
You're a
so
little
funny?
worried.
What are you laughing at?
Nothing. I've got nothing. What do you got?
Nothing. I don't know. I was wondering. I was looking at that when we showed that picture of the traffic.
Yes.
The cars were. I was like, what is happening here? I didn't even know what that was.
Right.
Ford reverse. Right. Do I go to work? Do I not? Do I go to work?
Yeah,
do I
there
not?
you go. That's what it was. Who knows?
Well, sometimes our tower cams, they go down, but then every once in a while they'll get put in the shuffle there. And that one's been down for a couple days because I think it failed in the middle of the afternoon while it was so bright and sunny and blue
Yeah.
skies, which is the opposite of what we have out there.
I
this
was like,
morning.
it's
'cause
very
May
bright
the
for
fourth,
this time
maybe,
of morning.
You know?
Yes,
Like
yeah.
the
May
May the
4th.
4th.
No, as soon as I saw it pop up, I was like, oh, that should have been in there.
What was that?
You know,
Who
we're just doing our
knows?
best.
All right, thanks so much, Zach. All right, there will soon be new life in an old